Hello, my name is Tressie George, a homeowners insurance attorney. Today, I would like to chat with you about 7 things to do if you have a property damage insurance claim. But before I get to that, if you know any homeowners, business owners, or property owners who would find the video useful, please share it with them. Okay, let's chat about 7 things to do if you have a property damage insurance claim. Number 1, make sure you document the condition of your home or property using photographs or video after the storm or event. Number 2, report the claim immediately to your insurance carrier. Number 3, keep all records, receipts, and documents related to any emergency or temporary repairs made at your property. Number 4, keep a written record of all conversations you've had with insurance company personnel, including the dates and times of those conversations. Number 5, create a file to store all documents related to your insurance claim. Number 6, follow up in writing to document and memorialize any conversations you've had with any insurance personnel and employees. Number 7, if you made any payments for temporary housing, keep any receipts or documents related to such payments. Now, in the event you are dealing with a denied, delayed, or underpaid insurance claim and you would like to chat about the same, you can schedule a free consultation with me at tressiegeorge.com. And again, I would like to thank you for taking the time for watching this video.